Good morning, students. In Unit 1, Finite Difference, today we are going to discuss about backward difference operator and its definition, Newton-Grigori backward difference formula. Newton backward difference table. So backward difference table is also similar to the forward difference table. X0, X1, X2, X3, X4 and so on, X5 are the X values, Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4 and so on, Y5 values, and the del Y1 can be calculated from Y1 minus Y0, del Y2 is a Y2 minus Y1 and del Y3 is a Y3 minus Y2 and so on. Similarly, del square Y can be calculated del Y2 minus del Y1 and so on. Similarly, we can calculate del cube 5, del power 4 by and del power 5y. This is called as a Newton's Grigori backward difference formula for equal intervals. Y of x is equal to xn plus nh is equal to yn plus n by 1 factorial del yn plus n into n plus 1 divided by 2 factorial into del square yn plus n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 divided by 3 factorial into del cube yn plus and so on. This is a problem 1. From the following table of half yearly premium for policies maturing at different ages, estimate premium for policies maturing at the age of 63. Here age is given 45, 50, 55, 60 and 65. That is it has a equal interval and the premium values also they have given. Here they are asking to find the value of y at the age x is equal to 63. So 63 lies between the last two values 60 and 65. So that's why we are going to use Newton's backward interpolation formula. Here x is the age and y is a premium. We are going to find y at x is equal to 63. Apply Newton's backward interpolation formula and then we are going to find the n value by using the relation xn plus nh is equal to 63. That is a xn is a last value 68.48 plus h is a 5. That is a difference between the x values, and n can be calculated minus 2 by 5. This is a backward difference table, x values and y values, and del y has been calculated from, first value has been calculated from 96.16 minus 114.84, that is a minus 18.68, and the second value 83.32 minus 96.16, the value is a minus 12.84, and the next value 74.48 minus 83.32 is a minus 8.84, and 68.48 minus 74.48 is a minus 6. Next we are going to find the del square y value. Minus 12.84 minus of minus plus 18.68 is a 5.84. The second value minus 8.84 minus of minus plus 12.84 is a 4. Minus 6 minus of minus plus 8.84 is a 2.84. Next we are going to find the del cube y. 4 minus 5.84 is a minus 1.84. 2.84 minus 4 is a minus 1.16. Next we are going to find del power 4y. Minus 1.16 minus of minus plus 1.84 is a 0.68. Here we can stop to finding the difference values because the last column has only one value. So it's not possible to proceed to find the del power 5y. We are going to find y is equal to x is equal, we are going to find the value of y at x is equal to 63. Already we know the formula. This is a yn. Yn is a last value of y, 68.48 plus n divided by 1 factorial into del square yn minus 6. In forward difference value problem, we will consider the first value for del yn, y naught, but here we will consider the last value because in formula we are using del square yn. So that's why I am considering the value -6. Similarly, in the second problem, I am considering 2.84. And similarly, in third term, I am considering -1.16. And the last term, we are considering 0.68. After simplifying the term, I am getting the value 68.48 from the first term plus 2.4 from the second term minus 0.3408 in the third term plus 0.07424 in the fourth term, and the fifth term is a 0, and the last term is a minus 0.028288. After simplifying all this value, I am getting y of 63 is equal to 70.437. That is, at the age of 63, he has to pay the policy 70.437. And problem number 2. The following data gives the melting point of a alloy of lead and zinc, where T is the temperature in the degree C and P is the percentage of lead in the alloy. Now the P percentage is a X value 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. That is, all the P values are increasing by 10. So it is a equal interval. And the T value is a 180, 204, 226, 250, 276, 304. They are asking find the melting point of the alloy containing 84% lead. So 84 lies between 80 and 90. So it is very close to ending value. So that's why we are going to use Newton's Grigori backward difference formula. And we know the formula. Before to start the problem, we have to find xn plus nh is equal to 84. And xn is a last value 90 plus n I don't know, h is a 10. The difference between the x values is equal to 84. Therefore 10n is equal to -6 and n is equal to -6 by 10 is equal to -0.6. So the difference table is x value, y value, del y is a 204 minus 180, 24, 226 minus 204, 22, 250 minus 226 is a 24, 276 minus 250 is a 26, 304 minus 226 is a 28. The del square y value, 22 minus 24 is a -2, 24 minus 22 is a 2, 26 minus 24 is a 2, 28 minus 26 is a 2. And the del cube by 2 minus of minus plus 2 is a 4, 2 minus 2 0 and 2 minus 2 is a 0, and the next value 0 minus 4 is a -4, 0 minus 0 is a 0, and the last column 0 minus of minus plus 4 is equal to 4. And we know the formula, Newton's backward interpolation formula, and already we find the value of n. Now we are going to find the value of y is equal to 84 is equal to yn value is a 304 plus n value is a -0.6 divided by 1 factorial del yn. So similarly, we will consider like a previous problem. We will consider only the last value of del y. So last value of del y is a 28. This next term, n into n plus 1 divided by 2 factorial into del square yn. So -0.6 into -0.6 plus 1 divided by 2, and the del square yn is a 2 again. Now the del cube value is a del cube yn and del power 4 yn value is a 0, 0. So the terms will be 0, but del power 5 value we are having a 4. So we have to write that clearly. So we will use the term n into n plus 1, n plus 2 into n plus 3 into n plus 4 divided by 5 factorial into del power 5n value is a 4. So we are substituting that. Now after simplifying the term, first term will become a 306 and the second term will be a -16.8 and the third term will be a -0.24 and the last term will be a -0.09139. Therefore y is equal to 84 286.86. That is at the so this is a problems to be practiced. Find y of 45 by using Newton's difference formula given. So here 40 they are asking to find the value of y of 45. So it lies between 40 and 50. So we have to use Newton's backward difference formula. And the second problem, find the values of y when x is equal to 390 for the given data. 390 is very close to the ending value 400. So here also we have to find the backward difference formula. And third problem, using interpolation, estimate the output of a factory in 1986 from the following data. So 1986 is also very close to the ending value 1990. So here also we are going to use Newton's backward difference formula. Thank you.